Hello, Mrs. Horner. I've noticed that our handwritten books are becoming cluttered, easily lost, and are really slowing business down on the front end. Through some detailed research, I've found a small list of 3 CRM, or Customer Relationship Management systems, that could really streamline the books and daily admin duties, overall keeping us more organized and giving your gym clientele a chance to grow. When researching these CRMs, a couple of things I kept in mind were the ability to track member attendance, store customer profile history, send out automated bills and charge monthly, integration capabilities, and a few other added perks. So the first CRM I have is GlowFox. GlowFox tracks member attendance through an app. It gives a barcode to every member, and every barcode is unique to every member, and all they have to do is open the app and scan it upon arrival, and they are automatically checked in, and you are able to see who checks in and what time. It does not explicitly say on the site whether or not GlowFox stores profile history, but each profile is customizable for every member, and you are able to view each one. GlowFox sends out automated reminders of billing, but you are able to allow your members to set up recurring charges because they are able to keep cards on file with GlowFox. And GlowFox is not yet integrated with email, but it is integrated with Facebook, so members are able to see all of the same things that they would in the app through the Facebook layout, and it has all the same qualities. And the picture to the right is what the admin dashboard will look like in GlowFox. Another added benefit that GlowFox offers is in-person training. So an GlowFox associate will come to you on site and train you and all of your employees on how to use the software. The next CRM I have is VirtuaGym. VirtuaGym tracks member attendance through RFID, or radio frequency identification technology. This allows you to know who exactly is in and out of your gym at what time on any given day. It does have the ability to store customer profile history, and just like GlowFox, each member profile is customizable. As you can see, the picture on the right is what a profile could look like. You can see that a member is able to add any profile picture they'd like, a header picture. You're able to see what their goals are and what other classes they may sign up for, so you can really get to know your clientele. They do send automated reminders for billing, and they are not yet able to set up recurring charges at the moment, but they are integrated with PayPal, which is a great way that members can pay for classes right through the app. And like I said, they are integrated with PayPal, but they are not integrated with email yet. And another added perk is that VirtuaGym offers a free trial and free demo for their software. The last CRM I have is Pike13. Pike13 tracks attendance. It does not explicitly say how or what it tracks attendance through, but all research has concluded that it does have attendance tracking capabilities. It does also have the customizable feature for members, and it automatically stores profile history, and you are able to see those changes. Pike13 offers automated recurring charges, so you are able to bill monthly or annually for memberships, whichever you see fit. Pike13 is the only one of the 3 that has integrated email marketing capabilities, which is really great when you want to grow your clientele in the future. And the image here shows the feature unique to Pike 13, which is document signing. And you can have members sign waivers in the mobile app and have them stored automatically without worry of losing them. And Pike 13 also offers a free trial for their software. So to wrap a few things up, each of these CRMs has their strengths and weaknesses in each category, but all three have the basic needs to help your business become more efficient. My personal recommendation through my research would be Pike 13. It has all the efficiency features that are most important when making improvements to your business. It is also the most affordable option. Pike 13, the Pro plan, which offers all these great features, including the DocuSign and the ability to schedule payroll, are offered for $179 a month. The other two softwares will run you upwards to $200 a month. So overall, Pike 13 has everything you need and more for a great price. Thank you.